आशीष जी, नमस्कार.
Namaskar, welcome. Very, very happy to be here.
Thank you, sir.
First time in Doha,
Right.
so very, very, very excited.
What do you feel about Doha?
So first time because I had imagined ये पता नहीं कुछ और imagine क्योंकि मैं I've been to Bahrain, I've been to Dubai,
Right.
but this very, very welcoming. The moment I walked in, we flew in. It was not. You didn't feel lost.
Right.
Not too much traffic, people are there, and yeah, I feel very, very good.
It's a privilege and an absolute pleasure to be interacting with an actor of your stature, with a person of your stature. And sir, personally, I've been following you on social media for quite a long time. And मैं आपके दोनों channels के subscriber हूँ. आशीष दैट एक्टर व्लॉग्स एंड 50+ जिंदगी का. Yes.
That's a good feeling.
Because no, sir, it's a very good feeling we get whenever we watch you, sir. Because one thing that I always think is, someone who's from NSD, you moved into theatre, then acting, and then motivational speaking, and then sir, I was like, you, in my humble opinion, you hit the ball right out of the park when you entered stand-up comedy, which is something that's like a wow for me, you know. So what I want to ask you is, sir, what is that drive, that force that drives you to make these transitions in life?
I'm a very restless person.
Okay.
That definitely is there. I'm not a calm, composed, relaxed person. No.
Oh, okay.
I really love to do. I kind of keep looking, and I'm sitting here. I'm looking at the setting, and the very interesting things. So things excite me,
Okay.
and I'm forever looking at what else is possible. And so I do whatever that I do with a lot of passion, and then I'm kind of keep thinking of how else, what else, what more of this or what more of something else. So for me, it's not like that. So I'm definitely a hungry person.
Right.
I'm definitely somebody who wishes more, wishes to do more. So I think that is what drives me.
So were you like this all along,
Yeah.
throughout your childhood?
Yeah. Definitely remember that I was restless.
Ah.
Definitely I remember that I wanted to do more. And yeah, so that trait has not left me.
What's your fondest childhood memory, sir? Delhi Major, Baba.
Ma Baba, my parents, very, very loving, wonderful friendships, feeling very loved at home. That's a very, and also being very worried.
Worried?
Worried because my parents were very old. So I wanted to take care of them. So how do I take care of them? So
Right.
that has been. So the other thing for me is that I love to do the next thing. It's like a need, a want. It's like that, yeah.
I got to know that you're also an only child.
Yeah.
So am I. I'm also an only child, yes. And one thing that my friends have always told me is, yeah, Ashwin, you're only child, full protection, full pampering.
As an only child, and I possibly heard you saying a lonely child.
Only child.
Only and lonely also, I would say. So one did always feel that one was alone. I felt a lot of that. I felt I wanted to belong. I love family and families.
Right.
So I kind of I love familial connections. That has been there. The other thing was that since my parents were very old, I was a product of they were much older when I was born. So I also felt the need to take care of them.
Take care.
Yeah. So that also came up. So yeah, I had a protected childhood, but then very soon I realized that I have to take care of them. So
Right.
that was, it's not that was explained to me, I understood it.
So at such a young age, you were getting this realization that you are that taking something.
It becomes a reality, because so when you are an actor and you are sensitive about things, so you realize it. You suddenly see that your parents look exactly like your friends' grandparents. So so you have that thing going.
आपको जब from the time I met you there, lot of my childhood memories are coming in. I've literally grown up watching you. My fondest memory of yours is in Major Saab. As Shankar, the protective, but doting, very powerful brother of Nisha. And in that movie, sir, what struck out for me is there's a turning point in Shankar's life wherein he realizes that Veeru is the perfect husband for Nisha, right? So in your life, sir, is there any such turning point that has completely transformed your way of thinking and your very attitude, if any?
Numerous, because I've been very passionate in the stuff that I've been doing all my life, and see, a turning point happens when you don't get the results that you were expecting,
No.
and then there is a tectonic change in how you start looking at life. So yes, there have been many cases in terms of my career, in terms of my personal life, जब कुछ हो रहा था और कुछ और हुआ, and then you realize that you have to take charge of your life. Life जो है ना, it does not go on auto drive. कई बार हमें लगता है कि it drive on its own. And then life is an odd way of reminding you that it's not an auto drive. It's something which you have to navigate. You have to take that left turn. You have to take a pause. You may have to take a U-turn. You have to be navigating. You can't sleepwalk through life. So I have realized that in each area of my life. So therefore, I really enjoy waking up every morning and getting into my creation mode.
Oh,
So it's not a boring day for me. It's another day of creation, and so therefore I'm excited because I know that my choices in that day matter to me. They're not just here, हो गया, किया है बहुत बार, नहीं. So for example, today's event, how was it for you?
Sitting there and watching you in person. आज तक मैंने आपको सिर्फ स्क्रीन पे देखा है. So watching you in person, I was like completely star-studded. And sir, the energy that you bring in, सोते वो आदमी भी जाग जाएगा कि oh my god, what's happening here? And sir, ever since I got to know of this event, May 9th was the day I remember. I have been looking forward to this one very moment where I see Ashish Vidyarthi ji on stage and I get to learn something from him.
Yeah, so the point that I wish to make through that is that I have spoken at hundreds of such events, okay? You would have seen that energy, you would have seen that passion because for me it was not another event. It was another amazing
Right.
opportunity. So I don't take it for granted. I don't take my day for granted. The point that I wish to
Got
make.
it.
And that is what excites me about life because since I think that tomorrow, since I think that today is important, I'm therefore passionate about it. And when you're passionate about something, it's an exciting day.
So then, sir, in that case, like, how do you handle? I want your perspective on this, because you've seen so much, you know so much. How do you handle the unexpected negative situation or undesirable situations? Jo hai?
Yeah, things happen in life. Life is not about what things happen. Life is all about what you do when things happen. How you're being when things happen. Because ये हो गया. अब तूने क्या किया? So you can't say that अगर ये नहीं हुआ तब मैं ठीक रहूँगा. Things will happen in life. And your ability to handle it and keep moving is what determines. My personal take is that what is it that you are committed in your life? So that'll be your pole star. It's your North Star and you're moving towards it, okay? So that's something that you see and you're moving towards it. And in between that, some things are coming up. And then you'll make those changes. You'll make whatever that is needed, but you're still moving in that direction. So it is that passion that wo mujhe karna hai. And even while moving, you discover something, then you say, okay, this is also interesting. So now you start moving. But your movement needs to be independent of what happens to you. Because things will happen. Things will come in the way. कोई आएगा अच्छा नहीं हुआ, ये अच्छा, या कुछ बहुत अच्छा हो गया.
Right.
So just like failure can stop you, even your thought of success can stop you also.
Correct.
You say हो गया यार, बस पहुंच गया. So the idea is दोनों ही केस में आपको रुकना नहीं है. That's a choice. That's a conscious choice that you can make. That will I let success or failure stop me in the journey of what I'm committed to? That is a question that we each one of us has.
I've observed this about myself, sir, कि ज़्यादातर हम ना ज़िंदगी की उथल पुथल में उलझे हुए रहते हैं. Like something goes really good, we are excited, but something goes very bad, we are like depressed beyond measure. So that's a
And that's
very-
okay.
Okay.
That's okay.
अच्छा. Okay.
मतलब खुश हो जाता है आदमी यार, और दुखी हो जाता है आदमी.
हाँ.
उसको भी बुरा मत बनाओ.
Okay.
मैं कह रहा हूँ, कह दो यार आई एम फीलिंग वेरी लो, अब मुझे वो करना है. मतलब इट्स लाइक दैट, इट्स पार्ट ऑफ दैट सेंटेंस. तो जैसे आई एम राइट नाउ फीलिंग रियली टायर्ड.
Okay.
Okay, and I have this interview, and I have 2 more interviews lined.
Wow.
तो अभी वो कहो नहीं, आई एम नॉट फीलिंग टायर्ड, नॉट ट्रू. आई एम फीलिंग टायर्ड, बट आई हैव द इंटरव्यू एंड वो भी करूँगा. और उसके बाद आज मुझे कुछ करना है, कहीं जाना है, वो भी करूँगा. आप समझ पा रहे हैं मेरी बात?
बिल्कुल.
सो डोंट बी अपसेट दैट यू आर फीलिंग दिस वे.
Okay.
जो है वो है.
Right.
आप समझ पा रहे हैं? पॉइंट ये है कि जो है, what you say you're feeling or what you're going through, is it stopping you from going for what you want? That is the only thing that you need to be concerned about.
Purpose of one's life. How does one discover one's life's purpose?
So your purpose is what you're doing, my friend. Your purpose will not come on in some other form.
Okay.
कुछ चीज़ें आपको इंस्पायर करती हैं.
हाँ.
Finding ways to do that is your purpose. And what you want could be entirely different from anybody else. तो आप जो भी चीज़ जो आपको स्माइल पहुंचाती है, which brings a smile to your face, go for it. That's your purpose. आप ढूंढिए मत कि यार मुझे कोई आके बताने वाला है क्या पर्पस है. और पर्पस कोई इतनी बड़ी चीज़ नहीं है. पर्पस अभी हम आपसे बात कर रहे हैं, इट्स आई एम ऑन पर्पस, क्योंकि मैं यही करना चाहता हूँ. मैं लोगों से मिलना चाहता हूँ, कुछ लोगों से अपनी बातें शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. It's part of my deal, and that's what we are doing.
Sir, आप अपने motivational talks में you share so much of knowledge that you, and even today in the event, so much of knowledge you share. One burning question I have in my mind, sir. What is the source of Ashish Vidyarthi ji's knowledge? कहाँ से मिलता है आपको ये सब
It's
ज्ञान?
not knowledge as much as I share how what I've seen allows people to be in movement. Knowledge would be something that is some information that I can give you, and you some. Imagine life is that if I can let you have hope in yourself. So my speciality is, say, I love to let people know that they can have hope in themselves. So that's a quality that I have, that I allow people to have hope in themselves. My entire work is about that. आज मैंने आपको कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ नहीं बताई जो आपको पता नहीं थी, है ना. You knew everything, but my ability is to say it in a way that you get, okay, अब मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. You know what I mean?
Right, got it.
So it's not a question, okay, sir, it's so difficult, you can. No. You say, oh, I can also do it. So what I share is that I love to be an access for people. If I can be an access so that you go and achieve your dream.
Wow.
Because your dream is important to you. The people who are listening in there, your dream is important to you. And if you can find access to achieve your dream, that's your victory. And that's the work that I do.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, my friend.